Welcome to Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. I'm Lisa, and this is the Nevis. Before we go inside, I'd like to draw your attention to our exterior elevation. There are two choices for you to pick from when you join us. This happens to be our A elevation or hip roof, showing many shingles and being a little bit more aerodynamic. You might get a break on those insurance policies too. We also have a gable roof, which is a little bit more of a grand entry, and that decision will be yours when you join us. Let's check out the inside. The Nevis is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan. However, you'll notice we have a den and a hobby room directly across from each other. These are flexible spaces that you can customize as you choose. Do you need dual studies? Do you need dual hobby rooms? Or would you like to convert this to a 3rd bedroom like we've done here in the model? Let's check out the great room. The great room of the Nevis boasts lots of natural light. You'll notice that we have high-volume ceilings, a separate dining room, and if you're a cook like me, there's ample space in the kitchen to prep those family meals. When your family and friends come over and you're entertaining, this is where I would put all the appetizers and slide open those doors wide and invite the outdoors in. We would love for you to come visit us, but in the meantime, you can visit us at www.latitudemargaritaville.com. Thank you for touring.